Hi, welcome to this tutorial. This is Teacher Raya from Elimu Habs Maths. Today we're going to solve question 7 from 2015 Necta Form 4 Math paper. So for 7a then, we are told a shopkeeper makes a 20% profit by selling a radio for 480,000 shillings. So for I, we're asked to find the ratio of the buying price to the selling price. And for II, we're told if the radio would be sold at 360,000 shillings, what will be the percentage loss? Okay, so first of all, we need to find the ratio of the buying price to the selling price. What we have is the selling price. So this is our selling price. The buying price, we don't know. So let's make use of the selling price then. We're going to say let X be the buying price. So this means then if we have the original price X and if we add the 20% of X, this will give us 480,000 shillings because that's a selling price. Now, if you convert this into decimal, this will give you 0.2x and this will give you 480,000. If you add these two, you get 1.2x is equal to 480,000. Divide both sides by 1.2, then you get 480,000. Divide by 1.2, you need to multiply this by 10 to get rid of this decimal. So now you have 480,000 with one more zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by 12. We can see 48 is a multiple of 12. So I'm just going to simplify this and this will give me 4 there and then the rest would be 0. So it's 400,000. So the buying price then, X is going to be equal to shillings 400,000. Okay, so if we want the ratio of buying price to selling price, so buying to selling, buying is 400,000 to selling is 480,000. So I've got 4 zeros I can cancel here. This will give me 40 to 48, which is going to give me 5 to 6. They are both divisible by 8. So this is your answer for I. Okay, now let's do II. So for II, then we're told if the radio would be sold at 360,000 shillings, what would be the percentage loss? Of course, they would have lost, what, 40,000 shillings because they bought it 400,000. So percentage change is given like this. So this is percentage change, whether it was a loss or a gain. This is a formula. So change in amount divide by original amount. So it's always original amount here as a denominator times 100%. Okay, so what's the change in amount? Well, there was 400,000. Take away, if he or she is going to sell this at 360,000, that's what we need to deduct. And then divide by the original amount, which is 400,000. And now everything here multiplied by 100%. Okay, if you simplify this, you will get 40,000 divided by 400,000 times 100. Okay, so this will give you 1/10 times 100% and is going to give you 10%. Okay, so the percentage loss then, so in this case it's a loss because they sold it at a lower price. So percentage loss is going to be equal to that amount. Okay, so this is part A completed, and now let's do part B. So we are told a farmer sold a quarter of his maize harvest and gave 1/3 of the remaining to his relatives. If the farmer remained with 25 bags of maize, find how many bags of maize did the farmer harvest. So let's just say the farmer had X number of bags. So let's say the farmer had X number of maize bags. Okay, so if he sold a quarter of his maize, so quarter of X sold, how much has he got left? It's got 3/4 of X, so he's got 3x over 4. This is what he's got left. Okay, and what is he going to do? He's going to give 1/3 of what he's got left to his relative. So what we say, 1/3 of 3x over 4, this was given to the relative. So if he gave 1/3 of 3x of 4 to his relative, how much has he got left? Well, it's 1/3, he's got left 2/3 of this amount here. So 2/3 of 3x over 4 is what he's got left, which is going to be equal to 25 bags. Okay, so with of, what do we do when we have of? We multiply. So I'm just going to bring it over here. So 2/3 times 3x over 4 is equal to 25. We can simplify this. There is 1, 2 there, is 2 there, 1, 3, there is 1, 3. So we have x over 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 50 bags. Okay, so this is the answer for part B. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye bye for now.